Hey guys, Hippie Mágica. I'm your self-love and manifestation coach, and this is my channel Hippie Mágica, where I teach all about the law of attraction and self-love. And today's video is on how to fix a love relationship, how to fix your love relationship with the law of attraction. So people who are new to the law of attraction, they believe that they can't change people, that you can change everything except people, right? That everything is energy except people. But obviously that is not true. Everything is energy, including people. So yes, you can change people with the law of attraction. You can fix and save your love relationship with the law of attraction. I've done it. My clients have done it. And it's like manifesting anything else. So if you're having a tough time with your relationship with your partner, like if the honeymoon phase already ended, if he's not being romantic anymore, if he's not being sweet anymore, if he's being cold and the relationship is boring and it's just not exciting anymore, and you just feel like the love ended between the two of you, maybe 1 or 2 years have passed, and like it's just not the same. There's no spark, right? And you don't know if you should leave the relationship, or if you should stay, or if you're the problem, or if he's the problem, right? Like you're at this stage of confusion, wanting to get out, just sad, like being very sad with this person because he's not giving you what you want, which is love. You know what made you fall in love with this person in the beginning? Their personality, their energy, the romantic stuff that they would do, the sweetness, intimacy, romanticism, right? So how can we fix a relationship if it's just going downhill? And it's just everything seems impossible. You've gone to therapist, you've tried to change, you've tried to look better for him, you've tried to like make him feel better just by doing what he likes, so like the food, or you're just nicer, whatever, and nothing works. So there's 3 things that could be happening within you that is manifesting your partner just falling out of love from you. So number 1 is that you have a belief that after a certain amount of time the love just ends, right? So a lot of us have this belief either from seeing our parents, or from seeing Disney movies or movies in general, that just love just ends for whatever reason. Either we get old, or the partner gets bored of us, or that's just what life is supposed to be like. Love just ends. Or there's other girls, right? Like there's this belief. So that's number one reason of why your relationship could be sabotaged. And for sure this was one of mine that sabotaged a lot of my relationships in the past, that I believed that love was not infinite, that love was limited, right? So after a year or so or less, like the relationship was just like toxic and going downhill. So if you change that belief into that I'm in love with my partner is in love with me, and just say that every single day, and believe and affirm that love is infinite, that you can be in love, you can be in the honeymoon phase for the rest of your life with this person. Affirm it. Repetition is key. You will manifest it. Number 2 reason for why you guys have fallen out of love, or you guys are really close to fall out of love and just end the relationship, is that you guys are complaining about each other. You guys are judging, criticizing each other in your mind. So maybe you pretend that everything is okay. You pretend that you like everything about him, but inside you're criticizing him. It's like, oh, why does he do that? Why is he so picky? Why is he so clean? Why do I have to do, The universe hears your thoughts. Your partner might hear what you say verbally, but the universe hears your thoughts. So if you're complaining about your person, the universe is going to manifest a situation where you keep manifesting the pickiness, the annoyance, the perfectionism in your partner with you. So change your language around your partner. Say exactly how you want him to be. I'm so grateful that my partner listens to me. I'm so grateful that my partner takes care of me. I'm so grateful that my partner and I get along. I'm so grateful that we have the best relationship of our lives together. So say what you want to experience. Don't say what you would say to any other person. This is the person that you're going to live, hopefully, for the rest of your life. So only have positive thoughts about this person. And then number 3, the third thing of what you could be doing to be sabotaging this relationship and what you can do to flip it around and save the relationship is the healing. So maybe you still haven't healed from past relationships. You still have that pain of your exes like cheating on you, or looking at other girls, or lying to you, or making you feel that the woman has to be in the house cleaning, cooking, and then you're projecting all that fear, all that pain into this partner, and he's not your past. So you need to change your perspective and see him as he is, and start affirming, I am treated with respect, I am treated with freedom, I am treated with love. And don't project your past relationships into this person. And also do Ho'oponopono, so you can release the pain and not project it into this relationship. Okay, well, let me know if these tips were helpful. They definitely transformed my relationship, and it's the best relationship I've ever had. We've been together for more than 2 years, and we're still in the honeymoon phase, and it's not ending. It's only getting higher and better. Okay, guys, much love, and I'll see you in the next video.